Hello and welcome to a video tutorial from shopintegrator.com. In this tutorial we'll show you the simple steps you can take to prepare your website for adding the Shop Integrator e-commerce add-ins. So here's my website, and the first thing I've done is to take a look at the page and decide whereabouts on this page I'm likely to want to add some e-commerce features. And what I've done is I've added an X in the positions I want to add some e-commerce add-ins. So up here I'm probably going to want some sort of view basket link. Down here in the menu I want some shopping cart information, some currency control, and in these sections here this is where I'm going to start to display my products. So what I did was I went into the HTML for that page, and in the relevant positions I put in some X's just as placeholders, just so later on when I come to add the e-commerce plugins it's easy for me to spot the positions I want to put them in. And the other great thing with doing this is that somebody else could actually mark these positions for you, and you can then just come along and put your e-commerce plugins. But the first thing you have to do to prepare your site for the Shop Integrator plugins is you have to put an entry in your head section of your HTML page, which is up here. And what you're going to need is a single entry to include a JavaScript file. Now what you do is you go to the shopintegrator.com website, you log in with your Shop Integrator username and password, and that will take you to the Shop Integrator admin console. And then what you want to do is click Add e-commerce to your website. I'll leave it on sell single product because that doesn't actually matter at the moment. And what you have to do is, under part 1, you copy and paste this script here. So I'm going to copy and paste that, dive back into my HTML, and I'm just going to paste that in the head section of my HTML page. It doesn't particularly matter where you put it in the head, but I'm going to put it just above the closing head tag in here. I'm going to save that. I'm going to return to my web page. I'm going to reload it, and that's it. The page is now prepared for adding your Shop Integrator e-commerce plugins. And the process you would use for doing that is to return to your admin console, select the plugin type you're after. You've now completed this step, and all you need to do then is to pick up the plugins and add them to the site in the relevant place. And this script here, once you've added it to your head section, you only have to do that once. So this just has to exist in your head section once for each of your pages. Once it's in there once, you can then go ahead and add as many e-commerce plugins as you need on that page. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then please remember to click the like button, and if possible share with your friends and family on your favourite social networking sites. Thank you.